outlook should be public service, not public governance. And she was absolutely right that that is what has changed throughout the world. It's not the colonial system that we still, unfortunately, are following. We've tried to do away with it, but we've not been very successful till now. Things have changed. People do have access to administration. At one point in time, there was no access to administration at all. But with democracy coming into the country, with democracy getting into the roots, people hold the public servants, the public representatives accountable. The public representatives have a system of accountability. Every 5 years, we have to go back to the people and seek their support in order to come back to office. The public servants are accountable to the public representatives and through them to the public. So I think that concept, if you follow in life, again, your first and foremost responsibility is providing public service to the people. And as I said, now when you go back to your services, madam, they'll probably not start tomorrow, they'll start on Monday. You wanted them to go back to office tomorrow, but you have got 2 days off to enjoy. From Monday, you'll be joining back. Some would be coming to the offices in Karachi, and in the rest of Sindh, some would go back to their provinces. So use the skills, use the knowledge that you've gained here to better serve the people of this country, because that is what you've chosen to do in public service. I am very grateful to National Institute of Management. They keep calling me back. I've thoroughly enjoyed, I've had interactive sessions here also, and I've really liked to, because of my experience in